This is a Medeco biaxial cam lock. I'll be starting with a short flat hook with a gem hook on standby, and I've had some luck with this Sparrow's medium hook, but I'll probably not be using it this time. Oh, almost forgot I'm supposed to rake this first. Little click out of 5. Three. It's kind of felt like it was binding, but not really. Here's your binder here. Kind of a mushy click out of 2. We'll see how that goes. As long as something else is binding. Three, felt like it was binding. 3 feels like it's in serration. 4, click out of 4, click out of 5, click out of 4. A little bit of falset. Just kind of gave each of them a little bit of a nudge. All right, 3s are binder there. Okay. Wow, that is the fastest I've ever picked this thing. Oh, trust me, it's not skill. That was primarily luck. I actually recorded 2 days ago was when I recorded this. The last time I picked it, but I didn't upload it because I was rewatching it yesterday. I was a little bit self-conscious of the cleanliness of my fingernails, so I'm re-recording it for you guys today. So here's the core with the sidebar. And here's a shot of the pins. Here, I'm gonna zoom because I could actually have better picture. Trying to point the hole up. It really doesn't want to be hole side up because of the guide pin. Anyway, that's all I have for today. And have a good day.